transparent text effect, kagaya nito. Gawin natin yan. Open CapCut. Import your clip. Tap text. Type your text. Tap fonts and choose a font. Tap styles and stylize natin ang text. Pili ka ng color. Adjust lang natin ang spacing ng text. Adjust the size and the position. Once done, tap lasting text, and your text will extend up to the end of the clip. Select the text and duplicate. Tap Style. Under Text, scroll natin to and adjust the opacity to 0. Tap Stroke and add a color, depends on your liking. And adjust the width. Tap Tick. Select the clip and duplicate. Tap Overlay and drag natin yan sa unahan. Select Remove BG. If naka-Pro ka, tap Auto Remove. Otherwise, select Custom Remove and select Brush. Adjust the size of the brush. Zoom natin yan para mas madaling mag-brush. Brush natin ang part kung saan matatapat ang text. So, brush lang natin yan. Once done, tap Tick. While CapCut is generating the effect, make sure nakaselect ang overlay. Go to Layers. Dito, you need to set this to all. Then, drag natin ang overlay in between the text. That's it. No need to double export.